Experience driving perfection in the 2008 Infiniti G37. This two-door, four-passenger coupe has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including leather upholstery, front fog lights, and power seats. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.